Hey kids, you want bell cats on your Oculus Quest and you don't know how well. This is the video for you, most likely. Yeah. Well, you may be wondering, well, Mr. Bogdan, what do you need? Well, it's very simple. Listen to me, boy. Firstly, what you need down below is go to this website and install Adblink. Adblink is one thing that allows you to install this application on your Oculus Quest. I don't think that sideloader works. Sideloader, which is another application which allows you to wait. Sideloader Oculus. It's another application that lets you install APKs. Adblinks make lets you install whatever you want as long as it's an APK file, and this has some limitations. But yeah. So after you do that, what you'll need is to search on your browser Oculus dashboard. Go here. It'll ask you to log in. You do that. After you do that, it'll redirect you. Click continue. Okay. It's gonna take here, create your organization. You name whatever you want. There you go. I'll probably get sued, and then I understand, and then submit. After you do that, what you need to do is go on your mobile phone, go into the Oculus app, go into settings, your device, more settings, developer mode, and activate developer mode. Okay, so once you do that, what will happen is that you will now launch the ADB application. This is how it looks like. You click install APK, you go to add, click on this one, and then install APK. What it's basically gonna tell you on the Oculus Quest is, hey, do you want your PC to transfer information, like access your data? And you click yes. What that allows is that now the ADB link, now what it does, it will be able to install the APK on your device. So yeah. Anyway, so after you do that, it's gonna install, and let's go right into it. Let's see Ballcats in VR. Okay, now what you need to do while you're in the Oculus app, you go into this menu, you click on all, you go underneath unknown sources and the Bellcats. This will launch the Bellcats, as you can see, Ponos, and yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to do. I'm gonna censor the code in the top left anyway, so yeah. And here we go, Bellcats. It works. I can, for example, go into legend stages. Okay, let's do a stage. I don't know. Legend begins. And yeah, let's just click on this. This is a special APK that I found. And yeah, as you can see, it works. You can click on stuff, you can unpause it, you can send out units. It's a bit finicky. You cannot, like, for example, extend this so you can see the entire battlefield. That is something that kind of sucks about this, is you cannot see the entire battlefield. But yeah, you can enable and disable power-ups, as you can see. You can spawn units, you can fire the cannon, you can upgrade your wallet, you can pause if you really want to, you can escape, and yeah. And as you can see, it works. And that's how you get battle cats on your Oculus Quest. From what I know, you probably won't get banned because this is kind of the application installed on your it's like you're having the application installed on a mobile device. This is what is happening, and this is why this is working anyway. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe because most of my viewers are unsubscribed, and yeah, I'll see you guys the next time I'll do one of these videos. Okay, bye bye.